It's that favorite meal of the day, lunchtime. What do I have today? Something different? Not really. I've got 7 bananas in there, I've got a cup of organic purple grapes. I've got a cup of blueberries, organic, 7 bananas. I've got two or three bananas chopped up, and the rest is my carob sauce. So, you know, when you think about it, what could possibly taste better than fruit? Do I ever get tired of eating these fruit meals? No, I don't. And remember, nothing tastes as good as healthy feels. I eat to feel good, but I enjoy it too. I never get tired of that sweet taste in fruit because that's the way we are designed. It's on the tip of our tongue, that sweet taste bud, and that's our natural food. So is fruit all we need? No, but I'd say that the vegetable that we need the most is lettuces. Green leaf, red leaf, romaine, okay? Loaded with minerals and protein. Don't worry about protein. It's not an issue. You get plenty from the leafy greens. And we also need a healthy portion of fats. Get those from your nuts, your seeds, and your avocados. And that's basically it. I mean, I eat other vegetables sometimes. I'll have sprouts. I may have carrots, beets. What else do I like? I like olives. Wow, big hawk just flew by. Beautiful. Wow. And, you know, so broccoli once in a while. I'm not a big broccoli fan, but once in a while. Cauliflower once in a while. It's more about the leafy greens for me. And usually when I'm eating a large bowl of leafy greens, I just have tomatoes, cucumbers in there, and a nice dressing. That's the key. You got to remember, dress for success. So do I ever get tired of these fruit bowls? Absolutely not. It always tastes good. So remember that. You don't need all these combo bombo ingredients to make healthy food. All the best. Please give me a like and a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Post any questions or comments. I try and get back to you. I've been getting so many comments. It's like, oh man, it's extremely hard. I just don't have the time to answer everyone. But I appreciate your comments, and it helps other people as well that are interested in this lifestyle. So have a good one, guys. Fruit up. That's what I'm going to do right now.